Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be doing my May book haul, and I got a little bit of books this month, and I can't remember if I actually got them in May or not, but I'm pretty sure I did. If I didn't, they'll probably be in my March-April book haul. Okay, so the first book I got is The Shoemaker's Wife by Adriana Trigiani. And I bought this book because of the cover and the spine and the back. Let's just take a look at the cover for a second. Now let's take a look at the spine. And now let's take a look at the back. I basically just bought this book because it's pretty. But it's basically a romance about a girl and a guy, and they met in Italy, but then what happens? I think the guy has to go off to the war, and the girl moves to America, and then the guy ends up moving to America after the war. The next book I got was Hallowed by Cynthia Hand, and this is the second book, the Unearthly trilogy. I don't really know what it's called, but it's the Do You Need Out? And I bought this also at the grocery store with The Shoemaker's Wife because it was also $5. So I was like, I'll probably read the first one sometime. I might as well buy the second one in hardcover while it's on for $5. And along with that, I also just went over to Amazon, and because I got the second one, I was like, I should buy the first one, so I got the first one, Unearthly. Back to the grocery store, I bought one more book at the grocery store, and it's called How to Be a Canadian, and it's by Will Ferguson and Ian Ferguson. And why did I buy this book? I bought this book because it's hilarious. Like, it is so funny, and it basically just, like, makes fun of us. Like, it takes all the stereotypes of Canadians and stuff. I don't really know if Americans would get it. Ontario. Location, don't be a smart aleck. You know perfectly well where it is. You shouldn't have to ask. Formal name, the center of the universe. Pronounced Ontario, or to be more specific, Toronto. Main hobby, running the country. Sorry, that was a typo. It should be ruining the country. Provincial motto, celebrating over 100 years of narcissistic self-absorption. So basically, it is just taking all the stereotypes of all the provinces. Okay, so the next book I got was Walking Disaster by Jamie McGuire, and this is one of the ones I can't remember if I got in April or if I got in May. But it is the sequel, or not the sequel, it's like a companion novel to Beautiful Disaster, and it's basically Beautiful Disaster, but told from Travis's point of view. I also got Last Sacrifice, which is, I'm pretty sure, the last book in the Vampire Academy series that's out right now. And I have not read the first one yet. But this was at the used bookstore in my town, and it was, like, in flawless condition. Like, it is perfect. Like, nothing is wrong with it. And how much did I pay for it? $7. So I got this one for $7. Okay, next one I got is kind of a funny story. So, I did not know that the Vampire Academy, a few of the books in the middle there, have not ever come out in hardback. So I have Vampire Academy in hardback because apparently it was like a special like edition, get this in hardback. So I'm like, I bought that in hardback. Then I go onto Amazon.com and I'm like, I should buy the second one. So I go to Frostbite. Frostbite's the second one, yeah? Okay. I went to Frostbite and I see paperback and library binding. And I'm like, that is so strange. I have never seen that before, ever. Maybe they just got it wrong or something, and the library binding is the hardcover. So what did I do? What did me and my super smart self do? I ordered the library binding. So the library binding and hardcover, by the way, like, it was the same price. The library binding was like $14, and that is like what the hardcovers are on Amazon. So I ordered it. Yeah, I did. And guess what came? This super disgusting looking, like, this library binding. And I just like, look at the spine. Just let's compare. I just can't put that on my bookshelf. It'll drive me insane. So the last two books I got were Gone by Michael Grant, because I've heard about this series. Apparently there's like 7 books in it or something. But I got it because it's like a special edition, and it was only $4.99. And I was like, sure, why not? So I picked that up. And I also got, of course, The Fifth Wave by Rick Yancey, because they literally had like probably 100 of these books just like everywhere throughout the store. And it was just like, The Fifth Wave, all like lit up and stuff. And it was like, The Fifth Wave. And I turned a corner and it was like a whole table of The Fifth Wave. And I was like, a lot of people have been talking about this book, so I'm just going to pick it up. And I am currently reading it. Those were the books that I got in May. Yep, it'll be interesting. I don't know if I'm going to buy too many books in June. Though I shouldn't say that, because things happen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye! Has that been there the whole time?